In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list products from AliExpress onto your eBay seller account. This is a simple and effective way to expand your online business, and I'm here to walk you through each step so that you can get started smoothly. First, let's open your preferred web browser, in this case Google Chrome. If you don't already have it open, click the Chrome icon on your desktop or find it in your list of applications. Once you're browsing, head over to AliExpress, which is a popular online retail service featuring a variety of items across different categories. On this site, you'll want to find and select the products you're interested in listing on eBay. Take your time to browse through the categories that align with your niche or areas of interest, and carefully select products that you believe will catch the attention of potential buyers. With the product you've selected, it's valuable to copy all relevant details, such as the product title, description, prices, and any special features. These details are vital because they form the crux of your eBay product listing. Additionally, make sure to save high-quality images of the product. You can do this by right-clicking on the image and selecting the option to save it to your device. Clear, appealing photos are crucial as they are one of the first things buyers will notice. Now that we have all the necessary information, it's time to switch over to your eBay seller account. Log in if you haven't done so. Once you're in, locate the option to create a new listing. This will usually be available on your dashboard. Here, begin crafting your listing by pasting the information you previously copied from AliExpress. As you populate various sections, such as the product name and description, take a moment to ensure everything flows well and reads attractively to engage buyers. Setting your price is another important component of this process. Consider both the product cost and the shipping fees from AliExpress, alongside your desired profit margins. It's crucial here to strike a balance that's tempting to potential customers while ensuring it covers your costs and gives you a good return. Once you're satisfied with how your listing looks, the next step is to hit publish. This action will make your product visible to the global eBay community. From this point, you'll need to manage any incoming orders you receive. Stay on top of each sale by promptly addressing any orders or questions from buyers. Efficient order management can increase positive reviews and help cultivate a good reputation. And there you have it. You've successfully listed a product from AliExpress on eBay. By following these steps, you can broaden your marketplace offerings and potentially boost your earnings through this method.